In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove photosensitive videos from your TikTok feed. For individuals with disabilities sensitive to strobing and flashing effects, navigating TikTok's video-driven platform can be challenging. To remove the photosensitive videos from your TikTok feed, first method is using the Skip All button. When encountering a photosensitive video, TikTok will present a warning message with two options: watch the video or skip all. Tap on Skip All to prevent TikTok from displaying similar content in the future. The second method is using the accessibility settings. Open the TikTok app and navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture. Access Settings and Privacy by tapping on the three-bar menu in the top corner. Scroll down to Accessibility and toggle on Remove Photosensitive Videos. And once enabled, TikTok will be filtering out photosensitive videos from your feed, providing a safer browser experience. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.